I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright.
So basically everything kept it clean, and then but other than that, as you touch it, it's amazing. And then even the door handles. So as far as the wrap goes, opening up the door is very easy. Put your hand behind the handle. Don't scratch it or anything. Just put your hand behind the handle. That's it. So that's all I tell people. Just be careful with the handles. It's just that's really about it. Other than that, to wash it, maintain it, it's very simple. Bring it to a touchless car wash. Have it just do the foam system. No waxes, no greases. Because since this is a matte finish, the matte finishes are, you got to be real careful. And that's why over here with the gas cap, we did this for you too. We, with everything that's like, with your wrap, we include one of these. This is the dip guard. So basically, you drop it down, when you put in gas, you take this out, you put in your hole. Any oil that spills will spill down the guard and off the car. Because if it's for matte and satin, if it does touch the car, it will stain the wrap. So if this was, let's say if you did a matte vinyl or a vinyl, any vinyl will get stained. So if you did, let's say, gloss, with gloss for us, it doesn't get stained. It's completely chemical proof, everything like that. So in the wheels, by the way, the way you want it to be blacked out, yeah, that's perfect. I'll send you the